see how to remove the florets from the flower. Remove the large petal one at a time. Once you remove the first petal, you will see the florets. Take those florets and keep aside. Repeat the same process till you can see the banana heart. Repeat the same process till you can see the banana heart, which is nothing, the white part of banana flower where you can't take the petals out. Now, take each floret to discard two parts. One is staple, that is the outer papery cover, and the other is style, that is a long sticky structure with a bulb-like top. They are removed as they are not digestible and also makes the dish bitter if added. Keep repeating until all florets are clean of staple and style. When the florets are too small enough to remove the staple and style, it's fine to put them full as they are very tender and do not have bitter taste. Let's see benefits of banana flower. Cooked banana flowers can help deal with abdomen pain and reduces the menstrual bleeding. It increases the breast milk secretion for the lactating mothers. Banana flower extracts promoted glucose uptake, which in turn reduces blood sugar levels. They act as natural antidepressants. Wash these florets 3 to 4 times. Now, fill water in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons plain yogurt or curd and mix well with no lumps. You can even add buttermilk instead of curd or yogurt. Time for chopping. Take a handful of florets and chop finely and immediately add to the yogurt water or buttermilk. By doing this, it keeps the florets in same color as they turn dark once chopped. Do the same till you finally chop all florets. When chopping the banana heart, cut it into halves and finely chop as shown. You can soak it in yogurt water for half an hour, then cook or can store in fridge overnight for next day use.